how to record meetings with Fireflies. Fireflies joins meetings based on the auto-join preference you set during onboarding, whether that's all meetings with a web conferencing link like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams, or only when you manually invite it. You can always update this in your meeting settings. Once you're using manual invites, there are a few easy ways to start recording. First, from the dashboard, go to the top right corner and open the Capture dropdown. From here, click Add to Live Meeting. You can enter a meeting name, paste the meeting link, choose the meeting language, and click Start Capturing. Fireflies will join the meeting in less than a minute. Another option is to invite Fireflies directly through your calendar. You can create a meeting in Google Calendar or Outlook and add Fred at Fireflies.ai to the invite. Fireflies will join the meeting like any other participant. From the same Capture dropdown, you'll also see options to start recording right away. Add a meeting title. If you click Start Recording or use the microphone icon, Fireflies will start the web recorder, which works well for in-person meetings. For in-person meetings on the go, you can also use the mobile app. Just open the recorder and start recording. If you already have recordings, you can upload them as well. From the Capture menu, choose Upload Audio or Video, and Fireflies will process it just like a regular meeting. You can also control recordings directly from the dashboard. On the right-hand side, you can toggle which upcoming meetings Fireflies should join without opening any menus. For botless recording, you can use the desktop app or Chrome extension. Once installed, they record meetings without adding a bot to the call. All recorded meetings show up in your Meetings tab once they're processed. If you want to check the status of a meeting, you can use Meeting Status from the left-hand navigation. Here, you'll see whether a meeting is processed, completed, or if there were any issues like connection failures. That's it. No matter how you record, Fireflies captures the conversation and organizes everything in one place.